Well, good morning once again. This morning I am in Yosemite National Park. I'm going to be here for a couple days. I'm going to kind of see what happens out here. I was going to come out a few weeks ago, but they kind of got a bit of a cold snap. So it snowed. Didn't really feel like winterizing the van for just a couple days, so I ended up not going. Um, but I think this time the weather looks good. So I'll be here for a couple days. I got a camping spot in the valley. I did some kind of backcountry dispersed national forest camping last night, and that went pretty well. So yeah, it's about 4:30. Nope, 5 o'clock right now. Um, so I'm gonna get to one of the little viewpoints here this morning, kind of see what looks good. Weather is gonna be intermittently sunny and cloudy while I'm here. So hopefully it'll lead to some nice compositions. I'll probably get some grand vista stuff. I don't shoot a lot of that, but get some of that and hopefully some more intimate stuff too, because that's kind of where I hang my hat these days. So we're gonna get going here and kind of see what shakes out for the trip. Thanks for following along. Well, it's been quite a morning. Got some really nice light here in the valley. I'm gonna walk through one of the meadows here and kind of see what else I can find. If nothing, I'll probably go grab some breakfast back at the van and maybe take a walk on the western part of the valley, see if the dogwoods are blooming and do that sort of a thing. So yeah, we'll see. It's been really nice, real quiet. Really can't ask for better conditions right now. famous Paw Patrol spoon. Boop. So yeah, I've just been kind of walking around the valley right now. Well, like I've been saying, I'm gonna go look for some dogwoods, but I really like the way the light's kind of hitting these trees across the meadow here. So I kind of pulled over my legs to get some to do a few compositions here. So we'll see if those shake out. The back lighting, or I guess top lighting, or whatever, looks really nice. So hopefully I got a few compositions here. But yeah, we're gonna keep walking down there and kind of see what we can find. All right, so get some nice afternoon light here. Light's breaking through the trees periodically. You know, it's a lot of high contrast, a lot of highlights, a lot of shadows. So kind of see what I end up getting here. I walked up to one of the lakes here, did some stuff along the river. Now I'm going to go to another area in the east part of the park and kind of see what it looks like over there. It's been a good day. I was going to try and make it down to that western part of the park for earlier today for the dogwoods, like I was mentioning, but diabetes is a little complicated sometimes, so I had a little bit of a blood sugar issue. So ended up heading back, taking a break, going to my campsite, getting checked in, doing all that stuff, and then I'm back at it now. So yeah, we'll see how the rest of the day shakes out here. Walking along the river here, and I just saw the way the light was kind of reflecting off these ripples in the water. So I took a few compositions there. I think it's going to turn out okay. Got some really cool like almost like small little sun stars on there. So we'll see how they shake out in post-processing. But right now, I think it looks pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going up the river here a little ways and kind of see what else I can find. Well, at the last part of the trail I was on, went along the river here a little ways, not really finding the compositions that I really kind of set out for. Nothing's really jumping out at me, even though I didn't have like a whole lot in my head. Try not to do that, but at the same time, like nothing's really kind of coming together for me right now. Might be because I'm tired, might be because the light's a little flat, who knows. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna try and actually go back probably and get some dinner. I might poke around here a little bit more, but yeah, it's been a long day, so I think a little R&R is in order pretty soon here. So this is the end of today's video. Thanks for following along, and I'll be out tomorrow morning and we'll kind of see what the light does and what we can come away with for tomorrow. And to a successful day. Cheers. Pretty good. Welcome back. Yeah, so I'm back in the valley this morning. I didn't have to get up as early today because I stayed in the valley. My camp spot was pretty nice. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of walk around here in a little bit, wait till the light gets a little bit better. Probably check out one of the meadows and some more tree scenes this morning. Maybe I'll go over to one of the waterfalls. Haven't really ironed out what my exact plan is. I'm just gonna see what looks good, kind of walk around, have a nice little nature walk this morning. Yeah, so I'll probably shoot around here for a while, have some breakfast, maybe go over to the village, check that out for a little bit, and then gonna head back today. Yeah, we'll kind of see what I end up getting or coming away with, and yeah, thanks for following along. Well, just finished shooting this morning in the valley. Spent a lot more time at the waterfall area than I thought. Didn't really do too much of the trees, but really got some nice light. Found a pretty nice composition. Some really cool details in the water too, so I'm excited to get those back into Lightroom and see what I can pull out of this. So yeah, I think that does it for the trip. Yeah, it's been a good trip. Got some good light. It's been really peaceful. So yeah, if you liked the video, please let me know what photo you like the best. You can leave a comment. Liking really helps me out and helps the channel. And if you liked all that stuff, then consider subscribing. Really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much.